Once the plug is connected, the charging station induces 12V on the CP, as well as on the PP measuring the voltage differences. It then sends a 1 kHz square wave to the CP, which is connected to earthing on the vehicle side. Once the circuit is closed, the EV can request a charging state by setting a resistor between the PP and PE wires. The EVSE analyzes the voltages and adjusts the charging states accordingly. The CPP loop is permanently connected to a 2700 ohms resistor, which causes the positive voltage of the pilot to drop to plus 9V when a Mode 3 vehicle is connected to the charging station. Switching the resistance to 880 ohms starts the EV charging process. The positive voltage of the pilot then drops to plus 6V. And finally, setting the resistance to 240 ohms requests EV charging with ventilation.